Okay, that's my riker. And okay, my pretty girl, Ameira. It's a very relaxing driving today. Yes. And what's in your bag, Ameira? Okay. What's in Ameira's bag? Oh, Elmo and her makeup kit. To make Ameira. Why you like to have your makeup kit? To make you beautiful. because Ameira is beautiful. What about Riker? Riker is handsome. Oh, and her princess card. Yes. Say I love you. And her Elmo bag grade. Ameira's bag. So this is her friend Elmo. They sleep together. And what else you and Elmo doing? Oh, yeah, sleeping. And what else? What else you and Elmo doing? And she also have car inside her bag. Okay. Oh, look at that, your mirror. Pinky mirror. Okay. Oh, Ameira's inside bag, cell phone and comb and something to put your cream on here, in here. Okay, is there anything else inside your bag, Ameira? Oh, yes, the cover. And what else? And her eyeshadow. So that's all.
Nana's house.
Okay, we're going to Nana's house. That's all for Ameira's. What's inside Ameira's bag?